Take it
Hi,
away.
Zan. How are you?
I am fine.
You're fine. Very good. Zan, can you switch on your camera so that I can see you? Hi.
Hi.
Okay. So, in today's session, we're gonna learn about different kind of shapes. Do you know any shapes?
I know too many shapes, but 3D and 2D ones.
3D and 2D ones. Okay. So, can you tell me what 2D shapes? Any 2D shape you know?
Yes.
Tell me.
Today, 2D shape means something flat.
Something flat. Very good. So, can you give me an example for 2D shape?
Example: square, rectangle, triangle.
Right.
What?
And very good. One more example.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. You are aware about parallelograms as well.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now can you tell me what 3D shapes are?
Cube.
Okay.
Wait, let me tell you what 3D shape means. 3D
Okay.
shape means stand on anything.
Sorry?
Stand.
Okay. Very good. So now tell me 3D shapes example.
Cube and pyramid and what else? Triangular pyramid and what
Okay.
else we have here?
Cuboid?
Sphere.
Sphere. Very good. Okay. So you are aware about all these shapes. Very fine. Okay. Now, can you tell me what a square looks like?
A square looks like this. Can I show you on my paper?
Yeah, you can show him on your paper.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Okay, I'm waiting.
You can draw here and show.
Okay. No, not this.
Yeah, this is a kind of a square, a little bit rectangular.
I think this is a square.
This is a square, and then what is a rectangle?
And a rectangle looks like this. A rectangle looks like this.
Okay, very good. So in square, all four sides are equal?
Yes.
Yes. And what about rectangle? How many sides are equal?
Two sides on the two sides equal and two sides equal.
Two opposite sides are equal, right? This side and
Yes,
this side is
something like that.
You only meant that? Okay, very fine. So
I'm talking about this, and this, and this.
Very good. Okay, so two opposite sides are equal. Very good. Now, okay. And what's a circle? Do you know circle?
Oh, very easy.
Very easy. Okay, tell me then what's a circle?
This.
This is a circle. Okay. Now, okay, can you give me an example for circle? See around you and see. Do you see any circle around you right now? Because I can see around around you.
In the right hand, I can see a sphere.
No, I need a circle.
So in the left hand, I can see. I found a circle.
Okay, show me.
These tires are the circle.
These tires are the circle. Very good. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, now when I say, okay, so you know square, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me square cube? You know what cube is?
I know. Let me show you a picture of it.
Okay. No, don't show me a picture. Give me an example. Can you tell me where do you use cube in your real life? When you play games, na you use cube. Yeah.
How?
You have a cube.
How? Tell me. Do you know die? Do you use dice to play Ludo?
Consider you.
Yeah, I know dices.
So you know dices. Dices is a cube.
What? Wait. Cube has 6 faces. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one on the bottom, one on the top.
Very good. So dice also have 6 faces. No.
Yes, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one on the top, one on the bottom.
One on the bottom. Okay. Do you know cuboid?
Cuboid
Cuboid.
also have about 6 faces.
Yeah, cuboid also have 6 faces. Okay. Do you know? Can you give me example where you see cuboid in real life?
Where
Have
I
you
see
seen the?
cuboid.
Yeah. Do you know Matchbox?
I know what is a cuboid.
Okay, tell me what's a cuboid.
This looks just like a square, but a bit fat like a cuboid.
Yes, this is cuboid. So how many faces does a cuboid have? Oh,
These are squares, and these long things are rectangles.
How many faces?
everything is a rectangle in cuboid. Okay, there are no squares in cuboid.
Oh, one,
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay, so cuboid also have 6 faces. Okay, now do you know what corners are?
Corners.
Corners.
Very easy.
Okay, tell me
Look.
what corners are.
These lines are the edges, and
Yes.
these pointy things are the corners.
These pointy things are the corners. Okay, so how many corners does a cuboid have?
Cuboid.
Look at this.
Cuboid.
Okay, 1, 8 cuboid. 8
8. And what about cube?
cube. 8
8. Very good. And what about square?
square.
Like a square.
How many corners? 4. And what about rectangle?
4.
4. Okay. Do you know triangle?
Yes, but let me tell how many corners are there in a circle. 0. No corners
Zero.
in a circle.
There is no corner in the circle. Very good. So what about sphere? There is a corner in sphere?
Here.
No, there is no corner. Very good. Okay. Now tell me, do you know rectangle or triangle?
Triangle. I know triangle.
How many sides are there in triangle?
Edges.
How many sides,
How-
ma'am? Asked?
How many
How
sides?
many-
Sides.
Side.
Huh.
One face.
No, how many sides of the triangle?
Sides.
Oh.
Okay. Draw a triangle for me. Draw a triangle. Tell me how a
No,
triangle
already,
looks
no?
like.
How many sides?
1, 2, 3.
3 sides. And what about corner? How many corner?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Very good. Now,
Exactly
can
3.
you? Sorry.
Exactly 3.
Exactly 3. Yes. Okay. Now, can you tell me a 3D shape which resembles to triangle?
A triangle.
A 3D shape.
Triangular prism or pyramid.
Triangular prism or pyramid. Okay. Okay. Do you know what pyramids look like?
Pyramid looks like this.
No, asking, ma'am, asking. You have to reply. Pyramid look like how? What? Triangle or square as rectangle?
Triangle, square, rectangle.
How
you,
does
do you have
What?
you seen that pyramid?
Pyramid.
have you seen pyramid?
Pyramid. No.
No. Okay. Okay. So where do you heard of pyramid? How do you know what pyramid is?
You know already pyramid. Acha.
Pyramid is
Okay, okay. You told me that there is a triangular prism and there is a triangular pyramid, right?
Yes.
I get it. I know
Okay.
what's a pyramid.
Okay, tell me what a
No,
pyramid.
no, you have to see there.
A pointy thing on top, and
Yes.
all the faces are a triangle, and the bottom has a square.
Okay, very good. All the faces are triangle and the bottom has a square. Does it necessary for a pyramid to a bottom to have a square? Is it necessary that only a square bottom can be there? Rectangle नहीं हो सकता bottom?
ना
क्यों?
नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ट्राइंगल ऐसे बनाएंगे ऐसे जो
हाँ.
ऐसे बनेंगे ट्राइंगल.
You speak English.
If we make triangle like this, then the rectangle, if it will be on the bottom, then all the faces will be a rectangle.
No, I can show you. See, this is the rectangle.
Yes.
Yes, and I want all the faces to be triangle.
Yes.
You have to cut.
So I can join
Then you
like
have to
this.
cut. Then we
I
have
can
to
join
cut.
like this. See,
Yeah.
this is a triangle. See, this face a triangle.
Yes.
Is this face
But
a
no.
triangle?
No. If we do like that, we'll get this shape. This.
No, we don't do it like that. In pyramid, see, in pyramids, only faces needs to be triangle, okay? Base can be anything. We can have square base. If this is a square,
But if we make like this, only two faces can be triangle and the other faces can be rectangle.
then it's not a prism. Then it's not a pyramid. It's a prism. These are two different shapes. Okay.
Okay.
See, in pyramids, all the faces are triangle. All the faces. Doesn't matter how many faces we have. We can have 5 faces. We can have 6 faces. All the faces are triangle. Wait, let me show you. See, can you see this? Is this a triangle? See, this face is triangle. Can you see this face?
Yes.
This face is triangle.
Yes.
Similarly, see, this face is also triangle.
Yes.
Yes. And then if we see other two faces, see, this face is also triangle, no?
Yes.
And this face is also triangle.
Yes.
Yes. So it's a square pyramid. How did I know it's a square? See?
Because on the bottom there's one.
Because on the bottom we have square. Similarly, I can make bottom. Do you know pentagon?
Pentagon.
Do you know pentagon?
5 points.
5 sides.
5 sides and 5 points. Let me show you what a pentagon looks like.
Okay, show me what a pentagon looks like.
Oh. Pentagon.
You have to make it here. In the clear.
What happened?
How to make this?
Okay, I'll show
nothing.
you. See?
Nothing.
Okay, nothing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am is telling.
I can get it. What is gone wrong here?
Okay.
Ma'am is
See,
Just about like
1,
this.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I was just make that. Look here. I
Okay, show
already
me.
made this. Look, I already made this.
So this is the correct, no?
Yes,
This is
I
a pentagon.
already.
I'm confused.
Ma'am, I'm confused.
Why you are confused?
Because I thought a pentagon looks like this.
Because you thought pentagon looks like this?
Yes.
Okay, a
Not
pentagon
like that.
like this. Yeah? This is what a pentagon looks like, according to you? Yes? Izan, I can't hear you. Izan, you are on mute. You are on mute. Excuse me, sir. Izan is on mute. Can you unmute him? Sir, Izan is on mute. Can you unmute? Yeah. Yeah. Izan, now speak.
Speak up.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay. So this is what a pentagon looks like according to you?
Yes.
Yes. Beta, this is also a pentagon. Pentagon is just a shape with 5 sides. Okay. So it can look like anything.
It can be look like this.
Show me.
Two sides of pentagon.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Faster, faster.
This.
No.
Can a pentagon look like this?
How there are more than 5 sides, no?
Now listen to ma'am.
How
what
many
ma'am is
sides
saying.
count?
1,
Pentagon
2,
has only 5 sides. And in that diagram, you have more than 5 sides, no?
5, 6, 7. You made a 7.
Oh, I made 7 sides.
Yeah, you made 7 sides. So that's not a pentagon.
Where
Okay?
this came from? Where this
Sorry.
came from?
What came from?
The map. How did this came?
No. It's my fault.
What came?
The map.
Done.
The map.
Yes.
The map came. I didn't get what you are trying to ask.
Look, in the laptop, there's a map here, and the map came.
Oh, how would I tell you how in your laptop there is map key?
Listen to ma'am first.
Okay, what?
Okay, so now if I see now this is a pentagon.
Yes.
Can we have a pentagonal pyramid? Can we have pentagon pyramid?
No.
Yes. If I join, see, wait. If I join all the sides with one pointy thing like this,
What?
this,
Show me.
wait, let me make here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is a
I
triangle.
know this.
You got it?
Yes.
So now can you tell me how does we name the pyramids? If I gave you 2 pyramids, right? One is a square pyramid, one is a pentagon pyramid. How will you tell me why one name is square and one is pentagon?
Because if you have 4
Hmm.
sides, then it's a square. If you have 5 sides, then it's a pentagon.
But if we have 4 sides, it can be a rectangle also.
I'm talking also about that, the same meaning.
Same meaning. Okay. So, but how do you how do you know that it's a square, it's a rectangle or it's a square? See,
Because
let me make.
I know all the shape.
Because you know all the shapes, that I know, but see.
I
Which kind
also
of-
know all the corners, all the sides, everything I know about shape.
I know. I'm very impressed you know everything. I'm just asking. See, okay, tell me which kind of pyramid is this?
This.
The corners.
What shape I have in the bottom?
1, 2, 3, 4.
This one.
This is a square.
It's a square or a rectangle?
It's a rectangle.
It's a rectangle. So this means this is a rectangular pyramid?
Yes.
Yes. And see, this is a square.
Yes.
And when I join this, which kind of pyramid is this? Square pyramid?
Yes.
Yes. So, how do you know the name? We know the name of a pyramid. Okay, now can you tell me the name of pyramid depends on what? Depends on
Depends on
what is this? Bottom?
bottom.
So it depends on the shape of the bottom of a pyramid.
Oh,
Depends on
the shape of the bottom of a pyramid.
shape of the bottom of the pyramid. So if I have a rectangle in the bottom, it will be a rectangular pyramid. If I have a square in the bottom, it will be a square pyramid. And if I have a pentagon, what kind of pyramid it will be?
It will be
If I have pentagon in the bottom, what will be the name of the pyramid?
the pyramid name will be pentagon pyramid.
Very good. Pentagonal pyramid. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, now do you know what a prism is?
Prism.
Hmm.
Huh, what is that? Oh, look
Okay.
at the top shape.
Hmm.
Look at the top shape. Then you know what it is. It's a pentagonal prism. It's a triangular prism. It's
Okay.
a square prism.
Very good. Very good. You are very smart. Now, can you tell me the difference between the pyramid and the prism?
Pyramid and prism. That's easy. You already told me. If you can see the bottom shape, it's a pyramid then. You already told me.
No, I didn't. No.
Wait, look
Okay.
in a prism, look at the top shape.
Okay.
In a pyramid, look at the bottom shape.
Okay, I got it. Okay, so can you see this? Oh, you can't see this box. Okay, do you have a geometry box with you right now?
No, I have lots of things with me now.
Okay, pick up that box.
I also have a box here.
Okay. Now tell me, this box is a prism or pyramid?
Prism or pyramid?
Is it pyramid or prism?
Pyramid.
How it's a pyramid?
Tell me that.
Tell me why it's a pyramid.
Look at the pyramid shape. And
Do
look
you
this.
see the triangular faces in this?
Is
Yes.
it triangular? Where is triangular?
I
Where is
can't see.
triangle?
Tell me where are
Where is
triangular
triangle?
faces?
Where is
Show me.
triangle? Where is triangle? Beta?
No triangle, but
triangle.
everything is a rectangle. So
Oh, this is-
Right, everything is a rectangle. All the faces are rectangle.
yes.
Yes. So this means okay.
Wait.
Continue.
Can there be a
Mhm.
rectangular pyramid?
Yeah, this is a rectangular pyramid. No, I just made the rectangular pyramid. See,
Rectangular?
Izhan,
Yes.
look at me. the difference between the pyramid and the prism depends on the faces. Depends on what?
Faces.
Faces. If all the faces are triangular, it's a pyramid. If all the faces are triangular, it's a
Then-
pyramid.
Pyramid.
And all the faces are rectangular. If all the faces are rectangular, it's a prism. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what's a prism?
This is prism or
Prism.
pyramid?
A prism is?
Prism. This is a prism.
This is a prism. And why it's a prism?
Why it's a prism? Because all the faces are rectangular.
All the faces are rectangular. Very good. Very good. Okay, now can you tell me, is this a prism or pyramid? Can you see this figure?
Yes.
Can you tell me, is this a prism or pyramid?
Prism or pyramid.
What is this?
All the faces are rectangular.
Right. So this is a
Prism.
prism. Okay, what kind of prism it is?
It's a pentagonal prism.
Very good. It's a pentagonal prism. Very nice. Okay, now can I have a triangular prism?
A triangular prism.
Can I have a triangular prism? Think.
Yes, you can.
I am just asking. Can you think, if is it possible for me to have a triangular prism?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If I have a triangular prism, how many faces will I have?
How many triangle faces you'll have?
I have one triangular prism.
Yes.
So how many faces will be there in triangular prism?
Which shape of? Which shape?
No, ma'am.
A rectangle or a triangle? Which shape?
Triangle.
Triangle.
How many faces?
Two.
How many?
2. I'll have 2 triangle. What about rectangle?
4. No, 3.
3. Very good. And if I have a pentagonal prism, how many faces will I have? How many rectangular faces will I have? In this picture, how many rectangular faces will I have?
5.
5. And how many pentagonal faces I'll have?
2.
2. Very good. Okay. So now you know what a prism is and what a pyramid is, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. For a quick revision, tell me the difference between the prism and a pyramid.
Between a prism and a pyramid.
Yeah. Just for the quick revision. Okay. Tell me. I don't know anything now. You have to explain me. Explain me what's a prism.
A prism is all the top faces are rectangle.
Top faces are rectangle.
Top faces or bottom faces?
Side.
Side faces.
Right. All the side faces are rectangle. And what about pyramid?
Pyramid.
Yeah.
Pyramid. Okay.
Hmm.
The bottom face a square or a rectangle.
But
Oh,
just-
wait. All the upper face anything.
Huh?
Triangle.
all the side faces are triangle. Okay? Yes, Zahan?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now we will learn a new term called perimeter. Do you know what a perimeter is?
What is perimeter?
Okay, you don't know what a perimeter is. Okay, I'll explain you what a perimeter is. Okay. So, see.
What?
This is one shape.
Yes.
This is the another
Square.
shape we can have.
Square and a triangle.
And this is the other shape.
A rectangle.
Right? Okay. Now, this shape must be, this side is of some length. Then I make length, right? The long, there will be some meters long. This side can be 5 meter long.
I don't know
Okay,
about meters.
Imagine.
Okay.
Imagine.
Okay. Do you know, do you have a ruler with you? A scale?
A scale. Wait, I'm
Yeah.
coming.
Okay.
No, this one, no. This one, no. A scale. Ma'am is asking.
I'm
Okay, go. Go.
Wait.
giving you a scale.
This is a,
P.
Where is the punch?
Did you get the scale?
In my pouch, I think.
over there.
This also work.
Wait, come.
What?
This
You
also
open
work.
that
The tape you have, not the measurement tape you have.
This is a measurement tape.
Okay.
A measurement.
Do you know what it is called? Do you know what it is?
Okay.
It's a measuring tape. You can measure.
It's a,
Now use
we can measure
I got
things.
a
Very
scale
good.
now. I got
Okay.
a scale, but it's not enough.
listen, that is
Okay,
enough.
let's use the measuring tape. We can use measuring tape, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now open that measuring tape.
I'm opening.
हाथ कट
You're
जाएगा.
opening.
नहीं कटेगा.
Hold here.
Okay.
Hold here.
Just don't get hurt, okay?
You will cut it.
Okay.
Yeah. Open
See
open
what
the
my-
measure tape. And you have that box with you?
This box with you.
The box
Yeah.
that you were showing to me?
How much?
Yes.
How much length?
Yes.
It is.
Now measure
From
one of the side and tell me
Yes,
how
I'm
long.
doing the one of the side.
How much?
It is 7.
So it is 7. It is 7 in meters or centimeters. See, it should be written on that measuring tape. It is written M or CM.
Nothing written here. Wait,
Meter.
I know. Meter.
Meter?
Meter. Yes, I'm written.
M is written. So M is meter. Now can you tell me what meter is? Okay, I'm waiting. What
This is
happened?
Wait.
Okay.
This is centimeter.
Centimeter. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. So
1
centimeter.
meter long.
Centimeter. Can you written here that means centimeter, 1 centimeter, okay, 20 centimeter like that. Okay.
Listen to ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
What?
So can I say this side is 7 centimeters?
7 centimeters. You can say 7 meters or 77 centimeters. It's the same.
No, it's not the same.
What is the difference between?
That I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the 7 centimeter? This is the length of this side.
Is the rectangle the same length of this box?
Yes.
Yes. Ma'am
Same.
has drawn the same.
Okay.
Yeah. So can you say that the 7 centimeter is the length of the rectangle?
Yes, length.
Yes. Can you measure this side also on that box? Measure this side and tell me.
Okay. Sleeping linely or standing linely?
This one.
Standing line.
Standing line.
How much is it? How much is it?
5.
5?
Standing line.
Yeah, do not a standing line. Do like that. A standing line like this.
Okay. We have
Read the number carefully.
Not 6 beta.
6.
How
No,
many? How
not-
much?
How much?
Two. You can say
2.5.
2.
You can say
You
2.
can 2 centimeter. No.
2.5.
2.5.
Okay, you can say 2 centimeter.
Yes.
Okay, 2.5. So this side is 2.5. If, just a second. Let me put the charger, okay? Okay, so this side is 2.5.
Yes.
So if this is 7, how long is this? How long is this? This is also
The same. How long?
Same. 7.
same. 7. And what about this?
What about this? Same. 2.5.
2.5. Now, can you add all these sides for me? Do you know the addition?
Adding.
Yes, I know addition.
Okay, add all the
No.
sides for me.
But wait. Can I add 2 plus 5?
No. So let's take it as 3
Okay.
because you don't know decimals, right? No, it's okay, no problem. Let's take this as 3. Now add all of these and tell me the answer.
Okay. Okay, I'm calculating. Okay.
Calculate.
I'm doing it.
Faster.
Yeah.
Almost.
Look there and write.
20!
Yes.
20. So this is 20.
Yes.
20 is what? Sum of all the sides?
Yes.
Yes. So this is perimeter. This means that this shape is 20 centimeters in total. So basically the word perimeter defines sum of all sides. Okay?
Yes. Now let's go to the
No. First you understand what ma'am is saying. Then you will go to that.
Perimeter is
You know perimeter,
sum
what is
of
perimeter?
sum of
all
All.
sides.
sides.
Did you get it?
Yes.
So whenever I ask you to calculate the perimeter of the given shape, what will you do?
I have to make sure the length is
No. Okay. Let's
Is it
say
an
this is a square.
sum
Ishan,
of
look.
all sides.
Sum of all sides. So if this is a square and each shape, each side is 5 centimeters. So what will be the perimeter of this?
How
If
many
this is
centimeter?
5 centimeters.
Perimeter of this.
5, 5,
Yeah.
5, 5. All.
If all 5, then
If all
we
are
will
5.
get- Wait. Then
Okay.
wait. 5, 10, 15, 20.
20. Very good. What about this? If this is 4, this is 3, this is 2.
4, 3, 2. Okay, that is 7 plus 2, 9.
9. So perimeter, the perimeter for the triangle is 9.
Yes.
Perimeter, okay. Okay, let's do one more and that's all for today, okay? Okay. If I have this, tell me the
What?
name of the shape. What shape is this?
Just wait,
Beta,
ma'am.
what
something
shape is this? What shape?
Something
Name.
has happened. Wait.
Okay, something is happening. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. Now tell me what shape is this?
Wait, ma'am. Wait.
Izhan, can you see the shape?
Pentagon!
Just
Pentagon. Very good. And if, okay, now tell me the perimeter of the pentagon.
perimeter बताओ. Add on.
Okay.
Add on faster.
Oh, wait.
I'm waiting.
22.
22. Very good. So the perimeter for the pentagon is 22.
22.
Very good. Okay. So Now, can you tell me what all you have learned in today's class?
Perimeter and geometry. Shapes.
Okay. Okay. And what two new and what you learned in geometry? What two new shapes you learned?
Two new shapes. Prism and
What was the other one?
prism and
Look to ma'am now. Why are you looking
Oh,
here and there?
prism and
Very good. Prism and pyramids. So today you learned three things. You learned prism, you learned pyramid, and you learned perimeter. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So then I'll see you next time.
You want to learn
Yes.
something?
Did
from
you
the
like the
ma'am?
class?
I want to learn something.
From you like this, ma'am?
I want to learn.
No. I am asking.
the
You
class?
like this class?
Yes.
You want to?
you
want
like
learn
the
from
class?
this, ma'am?
Yes. And to learn from this ma'am and the other ma'am also.
Both, ma'am. You like it?
Yes.
That's fine. पूछो
Yeah?
ma'am से, पूछो क्या हाँ just wait minute but 1 second
Do you want to tell me
Yeah.
anything?
पूछो
Yes, hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah,
हाँ sir
Izan,
He
did you
was-
like the class? You enjoyed?
yeah.
Yes. It was
Okay.
so much fun than the earlier class. Then the
You had
first class was so much fun.
You had so much fun with me. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you so much. If you like the class.
Yes, even I also appreciate the way you were interacting with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
he only
That's
just
quite
5 years and
Now he's going
9
to
months.
6.
he's going to 6 he
next
is only
month.
6 years old
Yeah. he's
next
going-
month he will be in 6 years
Oh, you have your birthday coming up.
What?
Your birthday is coming.
Almost. Yes, on
Oh, Shahul.
April.
In
You think
April?
so?
Okay.
Maybe also.
Okay. So you will be 6.
26.
Okay. So
Can
you will
you
be 6
visit
years
my
old.
birthday? Can you visit
Will-
my birthday on 26th
Can you visit
April?
on my birthday? He's
You want me
inviting
to
you.
visit you on your birthday?
Okay.
So,
Okay,
ma'am,
I'll
what
try.
do you- Yeah. What you have
I'll try.
observed.
Okay. Okay.
Izan, you are enjoying the class. I can see you are having lots of fun.
मुंह में क्या है चले जाएंगे
And I
Yes,
must
ma'am.
say, Izan, you
I
are
just-
very bright and intelligent. You are very
Thank you
smart
so
boy.
much. Say thank you.
Thank you.
पूछो मैम से
So I wanted to ask you, ma'am, what you have observed in him, about him. What you think?
Oh, ma'am, he's a
And then-
very bright kid. He's a very bright kid. He's
Thank
very interactive. I mean, he's just 5 and he's very interactive. He's very bright. I loved teaching him. It was so much fun for me as well when I taught him.
Okay.
It was nice.
Okay, thank you so much.
He's
And all
really
the
fun
shapes
to
you
talk
were- you
to.
were
He's,
aware of.
Yeah,
he's so
Previously also.
lively and
Me also.
such an amazing kid.
yeah, he's
and,
such an
yes.
amazing kid.
Thank you. And the word perimeter he was not acquainted with, but he know that how to add all the sides, sum up and
Yeah.
tell area and something like that. And he, as you ask about that measuring thing, na, he took out
Huh.
himself. He know where the measuring tape is because he keeps playing with it. He keeps measuring everything at our home. Just he was not very sure about meter, centimeter and all the things, but he keeps measuring things like TV कितने इंच का है और ये कितना है. Right. So
Is that you like maths?
yeah,
Yes. I love maths everywhere.
he
love
maths
maths
is his favorite subject, ma'am. He keeps asking us, tell me this plus this how much, tell me this minus this how much, if you subtract how much,
he
like that, if we divide how much. He keeps asking
Oh.
difficult questions to us even before until he gets sleeps. Before
Okay.
sleep. Yes. So he
Yeah,
is very
it was nice.
much fond of that.
So we are looking for the platform which give him a good way. That's why I'm looking. I just came to you.
Yeah, just to enhance his qualities a little bit more, we are in search. Maybe
You
we
be rest
also
assured,
end
we
here.
have got the best teachers, and Izan will be taken care of. You just don't worry about that.
Okay.
Yeah, I even also appreciate
No,
Achal
I
ma'am.
like the today class.
Today
too
class,
much.
yeah.
Thank you so
Great.
much, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye, Izan.
Bye, Izan.
You can say
Bye
slowly.
bye.
Okay. Bye, Achal.
Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye.
But wait.
Okay, waiting. Do you want to say
What?
anything?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
Say.
I love you, ma'am.
Wow, that will make Achal ma'am's day today.
Exactly. Izan, you made my day.
Say bye now.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Izan.
Bye, Izan. Bye bye.